everyday English expressions. All along. Meaning. From the beginning. The whole time. I knew all along that she was hiding something. He pretended to be surprised, but he had planned it all along. The answer was right in front of us all along. Anything but. Meaning. Definitely not. The opposite of. He is anything but lazy, he works day and night. That movie was anything but boring. She said she was fine, but she looked anything but happy. As if. Meaning. In a way that suggests something. Like. He talks as if he knows everything. She smiled as if nothing had happened. It looks as if it's going to rain. At most. Meaning. No more than. The maximum. The meeting will take 30 minutes at most. We need 5 chairs at most. At most, only 10 people showed up. At hand. Meaning. Near. Available. Close by. Don't worry, help is at hand. Keep your notes at hand during the exam. She always keeps a bottle of water at hand. At random. Meaning. Without order or plan. By chance. The teacher called out names at random. He picked a book at random from the shelf. Numbers were chosen at random for the lottery. At times. Meaning. Sometimes. Occasionally. At times, I feel like giving up. She can be very quiet at times. Life is difficult at times, but we must keep going. By chance. Meaning. Accidentally. Unexpectedly. I met my old friend by chance at the mall. They found the solution by chance. By chance, he discovered a hidden treasure. By all means. Meaning. Certainly. Of course. Without hesitation. Can I borrow your book? By all means. By all means, ask questions if you have any doubts. You can join us by all means. Beats me. Meaning. I don't know. I have no idea. Why is the train late? Beats me. Beats me how he solved that problem so quickly. Where did she go? Beats me. Well off. Rich. Having enough money. Her family is quite well off, so she studied abroad. He is not very well off, but he is always generous. Many well off people donate to charities. Out of the question. Impossible. Not allowed. Skipping school is out of the question. Buying a car now is out of the question, because I have no money. Going on a trip without permission is out of the question. Likely to. Probably. Expected to happen. It's likely to rain this evening. She is likely to win the competition. If you study hard, you are likely to succeed. Concerned about. Worried about. I'm concerned about my mother's health. The teacher is concerned about the student's progress. She is concerned about her friend's safety. Bound to. Certain to. Sure to happen. He is bound to pass the exam with such good preparation. The truth is bound to come out one day. If you work hard, success is bound to follow. Call it a day. Stop working for now. We've been studying for hours, let's call it a day. It's already midnight, so let's call it a day. After finishing the report, The team decided to call it a day. Catch fire. Start burning. The old hut suddenly caught fire. The dry grass caught fire quickly. Be careful, the stove might catch fire. Clear cut. Very obvious. Easy to see. The rule is clear cut, no phones in class. The evidence against him was clear cut. She gave a clear cut answer to the question. Close call. A narrow escape from danger. He almost fell into the river. What a close call. The car nearly hit us. It was a close call. She had a close call during the mountain climb. Date back to. To exist since a long time ago. This temple dates back to the 12th century. The tradition dates back to ancient times. The old letter dates back to 1945. Do away with. To get rid of. Abolish. Remove. The school decided to do away with uniforms. We must do away with old traditions that no longer make sense. The manager wants to do away with unnecessary paperwork. Drive one crazy. To annoy, irritate, or make someone very upset. The loud noise outside is driving me crazy. Her constant questions can drive anyone crazy. Waiting for exam results always drives students crazy. Drop me a line. To contact me. Usually by writing, letter, message, or email. When you reach London, drop me a line. Don't forget to drop me a line once you settle in your new job. She promised to drop him a line after her vacation. Dwell on. To think, talk, or write a lot about something. Especially unpleasant things. Don't dwell on your past mistakes. He tends to dwell on negative thoughts. Instead of dwelling on failures, focus on new opportunities. Fall behind. To not make as much progress as others. Lag. If you miss too many classes, you will fall behind. Our team is falling behind in the race. He fell behind on rent payments. Fall short of. To not meet expectations, fail to reach the desired level. His speech fell short of everyone's expectations. The company's profits fell short of their target. The player's performance fell short of last year's record. For ages. For a very long time. I haven't seen you for ages. She has been waiting for ages at the bus stop. It feels like we have known each other for ages. For the sake of. For the benefit or purpose. He apologized for the sake of peace. Parents make sacrifices for the sake of their children. She stayed quiet for the sake of avoiding an argument. From scratch. Starting from the very beginning. With nothing. He built the company from scratch. She made the cake from scratch without using any mix. They had to start the project again from scratch after losing the files. For good. Permanently. Forever. 1. He left the city for good and moved to the countryside. 2. I quit smoking for good last year. 3. The shop has closed down for good.